Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. I'm gonna show you a summer smoky eye makeup cause I got this gorgeous Naked 3 palette. Anyway, let's get started. I already wear base makeup, sunscreen, foundation, and you can see eyebrow. You can check my other makeup tutorial videos if you're interested in how I do base makeup. It's time to do contouring. Yeah, I'm gonna use my Tarte palette again. I usually use 2 of them and then mix. I'm gonna use my Eco Tools brush. I got it more than like 5 years ago, but I still use it. I will try a tanning, like self-tanning. And I've never done that, so it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna use this Sephora Tea Rose Tickle. I dropped it so you can see. It's cracked. Sometimes I put too much blushers. It looks like I'm drunk. Okay, don't go too much. Apple John. That's done. I'm gonna use Strange color as base. So I'm gonna use Champagne Rose color Bud brush. So put this color on your eye socket like this. I'm gonna apply dark part. I'm gonna apply it at first at the end of my eyes. Boom. I'm gonna use dark side by using the flat tip. You can see I'm gonna draw a line before I cat eyeliner. It's gonna give some more depth. Maybelline. Do a line first and fill it. You can see the big difference. And repeat the same thing on the left side. Okay, I'm gonna draw under eyeliner. I'm gonna use this Woodbury Makeup New York. I don't want to go too much, so I'm just gonna fill the tip of my eyes. You can tell the difference because I want to make a tutorial like smoky, but you can wear it daily basis. And I don't use a mascara because I wear hard lenses and sometimes that hurts my eyes. But if you make your eyes look bigger, I highly recommend to use a mascara. I want to use this dust color inner corner of my eyes. I'm gonna use it as a highlighter. The brow bone, nose, my cheekbone. I look glow and dewy. A lip gloss, sexy mother pucker. When you apply this, you feel like your lips are pumped. And it contains coconut smell, so I like it. I'm gonna use this fixer, ultra setting, real fixer. Shake it. My makeup is complete. Is summer smoky eye makeup with Naked palette 3. Thanks for watching my makeup tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. And what kind of contents you guys want, just let me know because that makes me more creative to make better contents for you guys. I hope it helps and have a great, wonderful, beautiful day and see you on my next video. Bye!